Y'all, it's your girl, Goddess Raven, and this is Raven's Talk Show. Okay, I'm going to be talking about cinnamon today, okay? And I hope the tips and the things that I say can help y'all in your life to bring in wealth, abundance, health, and even to attract love and protection up into your lives. So I don't want to waste no time. So I'm just going to get into this really quickly, okay? So, of course, you see on the screen, cinnamon is the choice spice that I want to talk about today with y'all. Now, this says right here having a cup of cinnamon tea before divination will heighten your psychic awareness. Stir some into your food to attract abundance and prosperity or to bless it. If you're on a date, it also works in attracting love. Now, burn to purify negative energy from your home can be used to help enchant any kind of love or spell work. Now, the spells that they help Mr. Cinnamon helps with because cinnamon is a masculine spice. It helps with money, y'all. Bringing that moolah into your life. Luck, getting that four-leaf clover, luck on your side, prosperity, which is money, of course, and bringing love up into your life. You want success in some endeavor that you got going on, sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on that. You got spirituality on your mind, cinnamon can definitely be a help. Burn that cinnamon stick and wave it around you, and it could cleanse your energy. And not only that, it can help bring some money up into your life. Psychic powers, if you want to have, more, better intuition, child, look no further than cinnamon because cinnamon can help you with that. And let's talk about the 23 health benefits of cinnamon. Okay, cinnamon can help with your blood sugar. That's right. Cinnamon can help control blood sugar. Cinnamon is also great for fighting yeast infections, easing stomach flus and bugs, preventing irritable bowel syndrome, cancer preventer, effective against arthritis. It's a great antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial, a food preservative. I'll explain that later. Odor neutralizer. Oh yeah, because you put a little cinnamon in a pot and light it up in your home, and your whole entire house will smell like autumn or winter. Another thing that it is really good for is alertness, memory, and cognitive development. So if you are a little bit forgetful of where you put your keys, have some cinnamon tea, and it can not only help you with your blood sugar, a tummy ache, but it can also help you remember some stuff more. If you're on a weight loss journey, add cinnamon tea to the mix because it aids in weight loss, y'all. I'm telling you, cinnamon is that boy that does it all in spice. Now, cinnamon also will lower that bad cholesterol. It's an E. coli fighter, salmonella included, and it prevents tooth decay and gum disease. So if you're worrying about keeping those teeth in that mouth, keeping those gums healthy, cinnamon is another thing that you could add to your arsenal to keep up with your teeth. Nutrients, it's a great insect repellent. It treats colds, sore throats, and coughs. I mean, flu season is not that far away, y'all, to stock up on a little bit of cinnamon tea and some cinnamon stick and some cinnamon spice. It's also beneficial in neurodegenerative diseases. It fights off those viruses, HIV, anti relief, and cinnamon works pretty fast, y'all. I'm telling you. Cinnamon is definitely that antibacterial, anti-parasitic properties to it. Cinnamon has the anti-inflammatory properties to it. Cinnamon is an excellent source of magnesium, dietary fiber, iron, and calcium. Cinnamon boosts the activity of the brain and hence acts as a good brain tonic. It helps in removing tension, easing that tension in the shoulder because they say most men and women carry a lot of tension in their shoulders. So, drink a little bit of cinnamon tea or make some apple cider and sprinkle a little cinnamon in it. I'm telling you, ease that shoulder pain. And it's great, of course, for, memory loss. Cinnamon has also been found useful for women when it prevents menstrual cramps and other feminine discomfort. It really helps in that lower area. When added to food, it prevents bacterial growth. This is something that's super important for us, preventing us from getting food poisoning. And it helps preserve food longer because it prevents food spoilage. Another thing, when you're on a budget and trying to save money, this is something that could definitely help. This is a definite great food spoilage preventer and making it a natural food preservative as well. Cinnamon also helps remove blood impurities. Therefore, it is also recommended that, guess what? You got a little pimple on your face? Use some cinnamon on it. So, cinnamon is a great addition for health. But let's talk about the magical properties with it. Because cinnamon does some things too, as well. Cinnamon can protect your home from negative energy, y'all. Simply hang a cinnamon stick above your front door or even blow some cinnamon through the door. And you can have yourself some extra protection. And it's crazy too, because on TikTok, they are constantly telling you about, every first of the month, blow a little like cinnamon into your home, to bring prosperity. But I believe, you know what? Why should it only be just for the first of the month? You know what? Every Monday, open that door or open that, if you don't want to open that door, get some of that cinnamon essential oil, put a little bit in it and light it up. That's right. Let the whole house smell like cinnamon. Every week, do a little bit of cinnamon to keep that prosperity going. Why should it just be on the first of the month when you could do it weekly and keep that energy flowing? That spice can also help you attract prosperity and wealth. Clear your wallet of everything except money, cash, and cards, okay? And sprinkle it with cinnamon. Cinnamon is also that good luck four leaf clover that you need. Carry a little stick of cinnamon around inside your wallet or purse, or even apply a little couple drops on the outside. Hmm. Cinnamon, is that blockiana that you need because cinnamon blocks negative energy from your home. That's right. Cinnamon can block magical, spiritual, and psychic attacks. That the mystical spice can help create a protective boom barrier around you and your home, shielding you from hostile and draining vampires and forces like spell work and aggravated spirits that just want to take you from your peace. No more, because guess what? Tie some cinnamon sticks together with a string and hang them above your front door. The most common number of sticks is 9, since the number symbolizes love and compassion in multiple cultures. Or you could just use 3 sticks. Or put 3 or 9 drops of essential oil by your door. Place additional cinnamon sticks or pinches of the powder on your windowsill to further protect the entrance to your house. Or put several pinches of the powder cinnamon in your hand and stand outside your front door and open that door and blow that cinnamon around and inside the door to create an energetic barrier. Hmm. Cinnamon enchants your manifestation because we on this channel from now on is all about manifestation of wealth, health, love, and happiness. So, cinnamon blowing rituals focus your intake, y'all. So, what is your intake? Intentions. Intake, Lord Jesus, the Jamaican in me. To help manifest your goals. Cinnamon is a common ingredient in spells and rituals for prosperity and success. To do the ritual, grab a pinch of cinnamon powder, a pinch of sea salt in your dominant hand, and enter the space you want to infuse with positive vibes. Now, for example, if you're manifesting a promotion, you might want to go and do that at your job and do the little sprinkle. Close your eyes and focus on what you want. Visualize your success and say, when this cinnamon blows, prosperity and good luck will come. Then blow the cinnamon and salt from your hand into the room. And just like that, you got yourself a spell and a ritual that you just did to manifest. Now, also, you could burn some cinnamon incense or even a candle anointed with a little bit of oil on it to attract positivity in your space and life. Cinnamon is linked to Mars, the planet of action. And if you're looking for that zodiac sign that cinnamon's linked to, it's Aries, y'all. Aries is cinnamon. It is a potent ingredient in rituals meant to activate your willpower, motivation, and success. Yes, this is what we're talking about. Now, not only that, cinnamon is great for activating that third eye, y'all. Oh, yeah. Cinnamon, hmm. Cinnamon activates that third eye. When you open your third eye chakra, your attunement to psychic focus is heightened, allowing you to gain deeper insight into your life along with spirituality, awareness, and clarity. Tap into that intuition. So burn some cinnamon powder, sandalwood powder before a meditation or divination session. Or dilute some little bit of cinnamon essential oil with a carrion oil and anoint your third eye. Now, if you don't know where your third eye is, it's located right between your eyebrows. And every morning or every night before to go to bed, you do that little rub a little something down there, and you're good to go. Because cinnamon is also associated with the root chakra, okay, and also your lower chakra as well, the sacral chakras. So yeah. Now, what else does cinnamon do? Cinnamon is also a cleansing agent. Cinnamon is a purifying spice that removes negative spiritual energy. So if you feel like your space is feeling a little convoluted, use a little bit of that. To cleanse your space, simply burn the powder or cinnamon, or even just toss a little bit in some water. Let it warm up, and it could fill your home with a cleansing energy. Now, cinnamon attracts wealth and abundance, y'all. The spice removes stagnant energy that holds you back from success. So, if you're down on your luck financially or simply desire a prosperous home, do a little bit of a cinnamon cleansing ritual with cinnamon once a month. Add a few drops of cinnamon essential oil to your regular cleaning solution, then clean your floor with it. The scent will make your home feel more abundant and invite new, invigorating energy inside. To attract more money, clean out your wallet of everything that's not cash, coins, or credit and debit. Then take a pinch of that cinnamon and sprinkle it into your wallet to cleanse it. Now, cinnamon is also helpful with love, y'all. Take a little pink candle, write your name and the person you're trying to attract, and put a little cinnamon on it. And I tell you, write a little whatever, you know what to do, write your little thing, and you got yourself a little love spell. Cinnamon also is all about raising your vibrations, okay? Good vibrations in your life. You want that? Okay. Cinnamon is another one, a few little drops in a diffuser, and I'm telling you, this can help you feel more positive, fulfilled, and optimistic about things going on up in your life. It raises the vibe, making you better equipped to overcome challenges and feelings of depression. So when you start feeling depressed, grab that cinnamon and put a little couple drops in your diffuser. If you don't have one, get an old pot that you ain't trying to mess with, you really don't care about, and put a little couple drops of, the cinnamon oil and a little, some water, and let that, fill your home up with that smell. Now, it's another thing of enchanting spells. Just a little bit of cinnamon chips, sticks, oil, powder, and you sprinkle a little bit on your candle. If you're doing a money spell, it can help and amplify that spell to help it work better. So also cinnamon is great for what? Spiritual healing. Cinnamon is known to calm the digestive, balance blood sugar, enchant circulation, and aid in cardiovascular functions. That's right. So this is another thing that you need up in your life and may cause just be careful if you do have, like, you take blood thinners like warfarin or one of them things. Cinnamon might not be for you. Cinnamon, of course, brings good luck. Okay, so if you trying to find a little bit of luck in your life, sprinkle, simple carry a little stick in your wallet or your purse and stuff, or add a little couple drops somewhere in your home, and that right there can help you find luck. Now, I don't know. I hope these tips were really helpful for you. Not only did I give you tips on health, love, wealth, and others in this little 15-minute video, I know if you use a couple of those things, this could make some changes up into your life. Y'all, it's your girl, of course, Goddess Raven, and I hope this video on cinnamon and all the benefits on how it could be a spice to success in your life is helpful for you. On that note, I will see y'all soon. Bye.